What if I told you that these two terms give you a nice shortcut where you don't even need integration by parts for this problem? Let's go ahead and learn how we can save time on our next exam. What I'm going to do is first rewrite the original problem where I'm grouping the 2x sine of x and x squared cosine of x separately in an integral all by themselves, because that makes it easier for me to see where there may be a shortcut. Now, what I want you to look at here is both 2x sine of x and how it can relate to this x squared cosine of x term, because they do have something in common. Do you see how on this left expression, the derivative of the x squared on the right gives you this 2x? And then on the right side expression, the derivative of the sine of x on the left gives you this cosine of x. What do you remember about your rules of derivatives and how you would get something like this? Because remember that when you are integrating something, we're trying to get back to a parent function where when you took that derivative, you ended up here. So this looks a lot like the product rule, right? So the parent function then must be x squared sine of x. And then when you subtract it with this really easy integral to solve, our final answer is going to be this.